Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. Take W3 Wave, it is a platform where you can learn step by step all about the Salesforce application and development. In this tutorial, you will be learn our framework, LWC, Apex Class Trigger, Visual Force, and many more. So now let's get started. In this lesson, we will be learn about how to navigate recent list view in LWC component. So first, I will create a LWC component name as navigation page LWC that is created in the previous lesson. Then we will create a button. On button click, it will be navigate to account list view record in Salesforce. Here we will be using navigation mixing service library to navigate account list view in LWC. So friends, in this lesson, we will be learn after click a button, we will be navigate to account list view in LWC component in Salesforce. So now I am opening my VS Code. In the VS Code, I will be learn step by step how to navigate account list view on button click in LWC component. So now let's get started. So friends, this is my VS Code. In the previous lesson, I have created navigation page LWC component that is mentioned in the doc file navigation page LWC component. So this lesson we will be use same component. So here you can see in the previous lesson I created a button. The button name is navigation to account. So in the previous lesson I navigate to create new account in LWC. In this lesson, we will be learn about how to navigate account list view. So here I will be using same component. So first I create another one row in the HTML. So copy the TR and paste below the TR. And here I am navigation to recent list view of account. Recent list view of account. So here I will be navigate to recent list view of account. And this is a button. The button name will be navigate to recent list view account. So navigate to list view of account. List view of account. And this is a on action function. So on action, I will be create another one action function that is a action to list view account. Action to list view account. So first I create a table. In the table I pass the class name. That in the first year I created a button for the navigation to account. And the second tier I am creating for the navigation to recent view of account. Now save the file, and in the JavaScript file I will create another one function. So another one function is action to list view account. Copy the function name, go to the JavaScript file. This function created in the previous lesson. Now I am creating another one function. So below this function I am creating for the list view account. So if you want to navigate the page on click button, first we need to import navigation mixing on the top, and in the export method define to the navigation mixing here in the bracket use lightning element. After that I created a function. So right now I am creating another one function. So functionality will be same. Copy from here. So first I using this, and in the square bracket navigation mixing dot navigate. This is a common type, that is a standard object page, that is a common attributes. Here object name account. Here I am referring to the account because if I click on the button I will be navigate to the account list view. So I am using the account. If you want to navigate to the contact, then here you will be mentioned to contact. If you want to navigate to the opportunity, then you will be mentioned to the opportunity. So this is the object name where you want to navigate the detail. Then here I will be use list instead of the new. I am using list because here I am the navigate to the list view of account. List. Now I am using filter name. So after the attributes bracket, I am using another one attribute that is a filter. Filter name colon recent. So after click the button, it will be navigate to the recent view of the account record. Save the file. Now I am saving all of the file. Now I am going to deploy the code to the Salesforce. Code has been deployed successfully. Now go to the browser, refresh the page. This time I created a new row for that navigate to the recent view of the account. This. In the previous lesson, we have learned navigate to the account. In this lesson, we are learning navigate to the recent list of account. So whenever click on this button, it will be navigate to the recent list view of account. So now let's click. You can see it automatically redirected to the account, and this is a recently view of account. If you go back and click on the navigate to account, it will be open new window for the create a new record. That is a previous lesson we have learned. But if I click on the navigation to list view or account, it will be navigate to the recent view or account list of record. So now let's click once again. You can see it is automatically redirected to the account recently list view account. So in this lesson, we have added action equal to list and filter name I added recent and same, and all of things are same. So first I added this in the square bracket navigation mixin.navigate. I using the function. Inside the function I using the curly bracket and type. In the type use standard double underscore object page. Then attributes, not attribute. Always use attributes. Yes. Then object name, define the object name where you want to, which object you want to navigate. Then action name is list, and I added filter name so that it will be filter recent view of the account. Now save and deploy. It will be automatically redirected to the recent view of the account. So friends, try to do from your side in your personal org. If you getting any kind of issue, please write in comment box. To get more related video of the Salesforce, go to the YouTube, search TechW3 Web, then click here, go to the videos, and here you will be get so many live demo example of video. Here I created real-time scenario based on working on the office. So here you will be get Salesforce Lightning Aura component, Visual Force page, Salesforce LWC, Lightning Flow Builder, and here so many video you will be get that is working in office in live project. If you subscribe my channel, your project working will be very easy. So friends, like, share and subscribe and support my channel. Thank you so much.